Good evening, everybody. My name is Ricardo Corso. This is my document. In this video, I'm gonna expose my opinion about the technology in my neighborhood. Well, I think that the technology has changed the lifestyles of people in my neighborhood. For example, people have been able to improve their street businesses with use of QR code, WhatsApp, Telegram, and only platforms to pay for orders. Now, in other aspects, there is also an improvement in security. It is seen with the use high-tech cameras in the different places in the area. For example, in the park, in the street, or in the car park. Also, the neighborhood's alarms are connected with the sector police station. Well, as mentioned earlier, I think that the positive aspects of the technology in my neighborhoods are development and improvement of the safety and economy of the neighborhood. There has been a lot of progress that allows the neighborhood to stand out from the other neighborhoods. Now, on the other hand, in my personal opinion about the negative aspects of the technology in my neighborhood, I think that the an educational contribution from the mayor office is lacking to show how technology can be useful in the area. For example, course or events. They bring the community closer to the responsible use of technology. I think that knowledge is for everyone, regardless of age. Well, this is my opinion about this topic. I really appreciate for your attention. See you soon.